Okay, let's go. We're going on to the strawberry field. This side. It's a bit, yeah. Okay. So, now the rains have really done their job and they have kind of come this side. This is a nice decent one. Yeah, there are strawberries. These are all the weeds. So this is the strawberry plant, and because it's raining, see, this is a strawberry.
Oh, wow.
Of course they're damaged by the rains. There are tons of strawberries here. Actually,
Yeah.
they are very delicate, so they can't withstand rain. But there are lots.
हाँ लिया ना मैंने अरे
Yeah.
ओह
Yeah.
वाह
So if you walk, we'll walk this way. This one is somehow got. That's all right. So let me tell you how strawberries grow. Yeah. So these are all strawberries, all massacred by the rain. Yeah. No. Why do you want to? You would have to be careful. You have to check.
see
So
Some are like white.
that's because they're raw. So let me
मिला आपको strawberry?
explain. I would normally not do this in the normal season because this is precious. So this is how strawberries grow. The flower comes, then the petals fall off, and this becomes the strawberry. See this thing? Yeah, their center.
Wow.
So the flowers are to be protected. Now with the rain, the flowers the petals fall with the rain and the strawberry doesn't form properly. So this whole thing was my strawberry.
Flowers bloom throughout the year?
What, strawberries?
Yeah. Only
No, it's a
just before
3-month
winter.
crop.
Ah.
Yeah, it's a 3-month crop. I planted a bit late and I didn't expect March, April, May to be raining. And June though is raining terribly. So if in some years, if June also is not raining, I would have had a very good crop. So my investment of 17,000 on my saplings, I didn't recover it this year. Yeah. But it's part of the game. You see, I mean, I'm not one of those who's dependent only on my strawberry. I've got my homestays and all. But farmers who are dependent when the rain makes it's like it's a big amount for them, So and they, this is a small patch. They plant, they
Like
invest.
acres.
Cotton farmers, this, that. They invest a lot of money. That's why they commit suicide when things go wrong. So this is the whole strawberry. Look at this fat one. Big fat. This is just a small one. They are so fat they come.
Wow.
Yeah.
So even you can't do anything with the rotten ones, like use it for
For wine or something.
wine.
I could take them out and see, but I have to come down and pluck. My days passed, and in fact, I was not having so much energy today. And I said, I have to take you on a farm tour. I had to get my cows anyway. So I came out. I'm feeling fresh now that I'm out, but I was resting. So how much can I do? And I only have Manisha helping. My other labor are not coming. They've gone in COVID time. They planted their rice and all. Now they are in their fields. And they've started all that. So I could do it. But I would need someone to pluck the strawberries and we have to sit down and inspect each, cut up all the kachra part and then make wine or even jam.
Jam,
I have good strawberry jam,
Okay.
but not out of
So,
this.
but I mean, these strawberries can be used for fermentation.
You can even eat it.
Okay.
Now we take it home, cut it. Then if you walk properly and you walk carefully, you will see some nice ones also. But see, these plants are doing quite well.
Yeah.
They may last for the next year also. Now,
You see this, it's a raw one.
that's a raw one. But by the time it ripens, there will be so much rain it will rot.
Yes.
So it will be good actually to take the raw ones and let them ripen in the house. Yeah. Now what's happening? The amount of fruit. See this one. Better to take it home, and by two days it will ripen. But there's a
दिखाओ
insect.
प्रतीक भाई
चावल में रखना है इसको.
So lots of weeds also come up. So okay, let's go on.
Yes, yes.
This can go on and on like a khajana it is.
हम्म,
You can keep finding and see the thing is I can make wine though I am not knowing how to make, but I can make strawberry kombucha.
Can I get one?
You can take all.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. You can make strawberry kombucha, this, that. But you know, I have to sell all these things.
Yeah.
It takes time. And I'm not so commercial in the selling of all these byproducts. I mean, only that much I can. And
You
you
can
know,
make it for your grandchildren.
I make, so I'll give you kombucha which I make. So I've got more than I can use.
What are these?
These are wild balsam, which is a wild thing. It will get flowers. At Ganpati time, they'll get purple flowers and they offer it to Ganesh.
Gauri, right?
At Gauri time, yes. This, that. Otherwise, you'll be time to go up and you can't take all this with you. But your spirit and soul stays. No? So I'm trying to do that. Very thorny, just see closer. Very thorny, so it becomes an impenetrable. Sort of
Wall.
wall. Nobody can come inside. It's so thorny. And in summer, the sugar very impossible to touch. The leaves are soft. Yeah, the leaves, yes, but look at the
But look at the
stem.
branches, they are like a little crooked and thorny. And
They are very difficult to penetrate. So now, before that, I could see the road. Now it's become a. But I have to keep clipping them. Lot of maintenance, lot of work on a farm. But it's healthy work. You know, it's healthier than sitting in front of the screen at least. What to do? We're all on that problem. Okay, so let's go up and take you to the. Huh? That is a cover actually for my well. And the last time it was made, 2 years just before COVID was ready and made, and then they couldn't come back, the workers, and it got left and the well is not covered. But it's okay. I mean,
It looks like a design.
yeah, it's
I thought
not.
they're from
It's
plastic.
meant to
It's
be
like a
all fully lifted. I have to have so many
greenhouse.
men to lift. It's a heavy thing. It has to be lifted and put here, and all this has to be cleaned and on. Not done. So many things not done is okay. Life is, God is great. Whatever we have is enough, you know. Some people are having it badly, you know. We are blessed, you know.
So we are going inside a forest. ये जो मैम है उनका ये फॉरेस्ट है. अभी उसके अंदर जा रहे हैं. आप लोगों ने स्ट्रॉबेरीज और ये सब तो देखे.
Wow.
The plantation she does.
Lemon.
Okay. Wow.
These
So-
I'm going to, these are my precious ones.
Bombay never.
Ah,
Bombay could
Bombay
never.
Yeah, no, this is a variety. So they're growing up here and they fall
Summertime
down.
will be nice and yellow.
Yeah. So here,
this
Yeah.
That's lemon.
yeah, this is a big lemon tree. This is an Italian lemon. This is lichen. Lichen is a indicator species. When you see lichen on a tree, it indicates something. It indicates there's less pollution. Lichen will not grow where there's pollution. They're very sensitive. It's a combination of fungi and algae. Fungus and so. But even though I have the road close to me, I've got this green hedge.
Wow, oh my God, look at the
absorbs all the pollutants. I haven't painted this on. It's a natural thing. It's an indicator species. It's indicating that there's less pollution in this place. So when we had a homeschool, this is how children learned their botany, zoology, their science from life rather than through the textbook, which is third hand. Okay, so let's go on. Look here, the mango tree has a lot of moss on it. One of the characteristics of the indigenous trees of Mahabaleshwar is that we have a lot of moss. Yeah, a lot of lichen, a lot of moss. Yeah, because of the mist, it stays moist. But look at this contrasting. This is a Peru tree. It has no moss. It's the tree bark is such it won't catch anything to it. And look at this contrast. All right.
This is also a Peru tree.
This is a Peru, yes. Okay. Now here, this is a compost heap. I'm just showing it to you. It has to be turned over to use the compost. Come here. How do we make that compost? So, every day, we layer our leaves and we get our cow dung from the cow shed or our kitchen waste and we layer it. You know, I tell the children, it's just like when we make a sandwich, a club sandwich. So we put bread and then we put, what do we put?
Like
Butter.
yeah, butter,
Butter.
sauce,
So, but-
like anything.
Yeah, whatever. So the sauce or whatever you put, you don't put it so thick. The bread is thick,
Yeah.
but this thick. So just
So that's
like
cow
that.
dung. The sauce is the cow dung.
Yes, that's right. Or the kitchen waste. So that's all nitrogenous. So we take leaves, nitrogen, carbon, carbon, nitrogen. So the bread is the carbon. So we put thick layer of leaves, then we cover it with cow dung, thin layers cow dung slurry, leaves, cow dung, leaves, cow dung. Then we water it. And then we dig it up and then we get, after some 3 months or so, then we get this kind of a stuff.
Black
which
soil.
is, yeah, this is all come from dead leaves and dry leaves and all. Rich compost. Yeah, here's some undecomposed leaves. Where you smell it, you can't smell any cow dung or lovely earthy smell. Let me smell it. Yeah, it's an earthy smell. This one has got a little. So, yeah. Now, let's go up this way and I'll show you the biogas plant. So, this is a compost heap already done. They have to be mixed up. That one is an old one. So, this is how we get manure. This one is the ongoing one. Okay. Let's go. I have a lot of, on our land, we have a lot of wild ginger and wild garlic, wild turmeric and wild ginger growing, wild ones. So this is Pankaj. This is the old banana tree. This is from my grandmother's time, which we planted. Just for my brothers. There's some lemons. Okay. Okay. Here's my Thar, which I bought recently because I thought I would have it, and now I'm finding that it's difficult for me to manage. Something of selling it. Anyone wants to buy a Thar. Okay. So, lights are not. Ah, there. Okay, so this is a biogas plant. We take the cow dung from the cow shed. Last few months, this has a little bit of a crack in it, so we're not using it. We put the cow dung there, we make a slurry, and the cow dung goes inside. It goes inside, and then the methane gas, the cow dung goes to a pipe and sits inside a dome-shaped structure. It sits down, and the gas, methane gas, escapes and comes up, and through these pipes, it comes into the house. And we can use it for cooking, we can use it for heating. If you get a geyser that's fired by gobar gas. So instead of this methane causing global warming, we are using it as a fuel. So because
Is it dangerous? Like,
it's
as in-
no. It doesn't burst or anything. If I for some days and don't use it, what I would find is that the gas would come up here and suddenly I'd go pop, pop. So it would burst out because the gas has to release somewhere and it would splatter. It would splatter all. No, who's eating the cat food? Oh, naughty. It's eating the cat food. So yeah, it's not so dangerous. It's not pressurized gas. Other gas we have in our cylinders is kept under pressure. This is not under. This is naturally released there and comes into the tube. But yes, there is a technology that needs to be developed because with the gas, some carbon dioxide also is being released, and this is not being used up in the stove. So that room gets a little bit of that pollutant. So, this is where we made our firewood. And mornings you get your hot water, you need your self-service, you can take it and feel that you're in the old days, helping yourself. How did you?
I think it would be required.
Yeah, it's just a experience. Tamarind, but
it smells
this is
great.
a soap nut which is growing on a. Now we are growing our own soap in a way.
I mean,
This is we've got lots of it. Now
it's not like it.
So this is kombucha. Okay, so it's a fermented drink, and the layer that you have on top, which is like a chapati. You want to sit down?
No.
So kombucha is made. It's a fermented drink, very healthy because it's a probiotic. You know, something that you put into your. You must have read.
for you?
No, I'm okay. I'll be moving around. Thank you. So, you know, you must have read that apple cider vinegar is very good for health.
So strong.
It is. Now, this is not so strong. So, what ferments it? It's fermented with a SCOBY. This is the SCOBY. And what does SCOBY mean? Anyone want to take a guess? SCOBY. It's an acronym. You want to say something?
No.
Say no. So I washed my hands, that's why I washed it, because I put the SCOBY here. I can touch it. And this is one more SCOBY. I've multiplied my SCOBYs. It's a living organism, so it multiplies. If you look for a SCOBY online, on Amazon, it will go for 1,500. One of these. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Now, because once I have a SCOBY, I put it in tea water and sugar, and in 10 days it will become kombucha. Once I put this inside. So this is fermenting my tea and sugar. It's eating the tea. It's eating the sugar. And then you'll get a chance to taste it, what it tastes like. So SCOBY stands for SCOBY. Symbiotic culture of bacteria. And why? What would Y stand for?
Yeast.
Yeast. Yeah. Clever. What's your name?
Ria.
Ria. You're 18. She's telling me that she came to this place. I came to this place at her age. Yeah. I was 18 when I came. What do you do, Ria?
I just passed 12 by the government.
Are you happy with it?
They sucked the fun out of it. Like they kept postponing it. So
Don't worry, you'll get many entrance tests.
Well, I believe in passing by this government. This government is the best government to decide whether we know anything or not. Yeah. You know, all these other things are just... Anyway, chalo. So now I've taken it out. What I would do is when it is 10 days over and I want to take out my culture and use it, I would strain it out, put into another bottle, And then I would take this, I would wash it nicely under the tap, and I would put fresh tea, but not hot tea. I would boil the tea a day before, cool it down, and I would use organic tea leaves, and I would put unsulfurized sugar so that we don't have the sulfur from the sugar. And I would mix it well with a wooden spoon, not with a steel spoon. I would mix it well like that, and then I would put, like, for dahi we used to have a starter, no? So we put a little bit of dahi here. Not dahi, sorry. A little bit of this. Not ghee. This oil. This, ye jo hai na, you pani, I would keep a little, the rest I would strain out. So I'll show you what I've strained out.
Thor is the cutest.
और कुछ खाने को नहीं मिल रहा उधर
No,
थोड़ा
oh, no, not allowed.
और पक्का चिकन के पास पहुंचा है जब मैं विकेट रखा हुआ है
Sir, I would strain this and put in another bottle, and I could put any fruit to give it that flavor. So this time I put strawberries because I had strawberries. So see, I put strawberries inside and I didn't take it out. I should, after 2 days, take out the strawberries. So I've got another SCOBY form. Yeah. That thing on top is tasted now.
Yummy.
Yeah, it's a bit sour. So see, this is formed as...
Pungent like?
No, it's a bit sour. So see, the SCOBY is formed around the strawberries.
Can't.
No, my chickens used to eat it.
No.
Yeah, you don't want to eat that. Yeah. So this is it. So I'll give you all some to taste, and you see if you like it. I'll give you all more. I'll give my small glasses because some people don't like it very much. I'm going to actually do this. Take it out and give all of you. So first one for you, for your passing of your government exam. But
Because you're
if it, I would give you a little, you know, if you don't think you can have it, maybe just see if you
Let's
think
just
the
share
others-
it, maybe.
Yeah, or I'll give you a little in the glass, and then you can take more. I've got plenty. I've got plenty here.
Oh, I like
Will you
it.
all also have some? You want to try some?
You guys want to try?
It's nice, I like it.
Yeah, take more. Just taste it.
I mean,
give you
it's,
more.
it'll give you like that jaw, like when you have something sour, but like I like it.
How's it?
It's great, it's lovely.
Sour?
That is cha.
Yeah, it's quite sour and you'll get that at the same time.
Yeah.
You'll get that like throat a bit.
That's another one. This one. You can try that if you want.
कैसा है?
Everyone has a different flavor.
कैसा है प्रेरणा?
You know, you'll wake
I
up
like
with
it.
Oh, we'll share with that one.
Yeah. Cheers. Cheers. How about you? Cheers.
It's meant to taste
Have you
like
tasted it? It tastes like wine only.
Visham?
This is like
Try?
same thing.
This is the same
It
one.
tastes
This
like
is
more
another.
of apple cider vinegar.
Yeah, but a
But it's not,
calmer
if you keep
version.
it out of the fridge for
Like a-
long,
like
it
a
will
wine
become
only.
total vinegar.
Hmm.
You want to have?
I had.
But is it like too heaty or something?
I don't
It's
think
very
it's
good for your
heaty.
stomach.
It's very good for
drink it.
stomach.
Kombucha is very acidic.
You get a bottle, a thin little bottle like
You
that
can have like
for
every
100, 150 and all that. Yeah, it's expensive. So that's why part of sustainable living is I teach people how you can be self-sufficient. I was telling them, rather than having to make money out of selling your soul and selling the environment and doing all sorts of things, we can do things by passing on information so everything is free for us. Like I've got my free Shikakai now for life. I don't have to have money to buy tomorrow in a real crisis. I don't have to go and buy soap. Or when nobody has money, then we can at least have our soap. You grow your own rice. That's how the poor people manage. You grow your own rice. You grow your own dal. You have your chickens and you have your eggs, and so you manage. But what happened? We are becoming independent. You know. You are from Kerala?
No. Mangalore. Bombay.
Oh, you're from Bangalore.
We three are from Bangalore.
Okay. My husband was from Bangalore. Yeah.
Bombay.
And y'all are from?
Mumbai, Bombay.
Bombay.
These people are also not much.
Who wants to try this one?
Yeah.
It's not old, mom.
So that's the SCOBY story and the kombucha story.
How many days does it
10
take to
days.
form?
Oh, it's taken about 5-6 days, 7-8 days.
There's SCOBY on top.
Oh, yeah,
And I'm
that's
pouring it, it's not coming out only.
Yeah, that's what the SCOBYs form up very fast because see, this stuff has a little of it. Then they conglomerate together and make their own colonies. More and more, I prefer to share, and we make friends. You know, we share other things in life. Money is not the only thing to generate. We have to generate love, goodwill, like that. So, you know, I mean, I'm not such a big-hearted person or anything, but you have to try in small ways to do things so that money doesn't become the bottom line of everything. And anyway, my daughter came from Oroville. She got me the first SCOBY. It didn't cost me anything. What am I going to sell these bottles for so much for? What am I putting into it? So, somewhere. Oh, oh dear me, there's a big fat SCOBY inside. Let's poke it.
Yeah, I had my hands on it.
It will come out.
Do you need the water? Yeah, it's coming out a little.
Maybe I should shake him. There you are.
Which one is this?
This is the same made, you know, in different batches. I've got some many SCOBYs. I have my SCOBYs in multiply. If anybody wants a SCOBY, I can give you, but you can also contribute something which I can give Manisha. And you don't have to give so much what's on Amazon.
Yeah.
But you have to.
But we need to make something out of it. Right?
An older
You have to
batch.
do it like that.
Anyone
Go home
wants
and
an
put
older
it in your
batch.
glass bottle and make tea and put it in there. You'll make your own for life. You'll have your own kombucha.
So what's the process? You put this in a
No, you
glass jar.
first make tea.
Yeah.
Let it cool down.
Overnight.
Overnight. Put it in the jar.
If you can't cool it down and you want to do it fast, you make little tea concentrated and you put ice cubes in it. So
That's
the idea,
fair?
yeah, that's fair.
Oh,
so
okay.
if I make it concentrated, the ice cubes give it the same. I do that kind of a pot, a little bigger, with only 2 teaspoons of tea.
Oh, you don't put patti.
Tea leaves.
Tea leaves only.
Yeah.
Not the powder that you get in the store.
Yeah, tea leaves. I buy it organic tea. I bought it from that baker's
There's no
basket.
your Tata tea powder, nothing goes in.
No.
It's just the
tea,
leaves.
but organic tea powder.
Oh,
Organic
okay,
tea.
okay. Alright.
So what? Then you were saying the process.
In that also you can put different flavors of tea, right? Then
You can, but black tea is the best.
black tea.
And then you can put sugar, unsulfurized sugar, 10 teaspoons of it, and or 8 depending on how sweet you want it. Stir it well. And if you take it from here, you will have to take it with a little of the starter. So in that you put the water, you put this tea, and then you put this on top. And then you don't shut it tight. You keep it for 10 days, then you take out your SCOBY, wash it. But try not to use water that's got chemical in it. If you want to. Now, but don't see, I wouldn't suggest you to really go for it because when you go home, you know, it's like a little pet. You have to look after it. Now, where's the cloth? Cloth got disappeared.
So that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed. आपको अच्छा लगा हो आई गेस. ये घर, ये फार्म हाउस जो ये आंटी इतने सालों से इन्होंने अपने हस्बैंड के संग स्टार्ट किया था काफ़ी साल पहले. कम से कम 50 साल के ऊपर है यार ये घर जो इन्होंने बनाया है. एंड आई होप यू गाइज लव्ड इट, द टूर as well as the farm which she has, the organic things which she is doing, and you saw how well versed she is and such a good experience and knowledge she has about all these things, be it scientific, in farming and everything, and she's alone running this place. So अगर आपको मन हो, आना चाहते हो, like you heard her कि if you want to volunteer to help her in the farming thing in this farmhouse, you can come here and you know she'll not charge you for the rooms and she'll let you stay here for free, and आप उनको help कर सकते हो उनके day to day काम पे इधर. And she's a very sweet lady, very very polite, very humble, and we are loving it. ये offbeat है, जैसा आप लोगों ने देख लिया है. It is not regular kind of a place. It's very new for us, a new experience for me as well, but मज़ा आया हमें. And ये ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है बॉम्बे से. इट्स लाइक 5 to 6 hours जैसे हम लोग को लगा था. आपको भी अगर आना है इधर, बुकिंग करनी है, तो मैं नीचे डिटेल्स डाल दूँगा. यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट हर एंड यू कैन डू इट. ओके, चलो टिल देन टेक केयर, सी यू, बाय बाय. चलो वो हो गया. क्या हो गया यार, ये ना अपने थोड़ा सा पनीर में ना सीन हो गया. क्या पनीर टूट ही गया तो लोगों को खाना पड़ेगा कैप्सिकम और प्याज
असॉर्टेड विद.
ये चलेगा ये वाला.